I wish love was an easy song to write, 'cause I'd have pages worth of words that were not lies. Your name would be the melody that's on my tongue. Oh, if love was a simple song, there are not words have been written or been sung that my ears have heard, or I've cheapened with my tongue to hold the weight of this thing that we call love. Oh, love's not a simple song, but my songs for you. Though not pretty or poetic, I hope you know it's true. I'm not perfect in my ways, and I let you down most days. I know it's true, but darling, I love you. And I've I've got a rhythm and a melody I like, but without you by my side, there's no harmony or rhymes. Just a freight train rolling down the tracks of a lonely night. Oh love, you are worth the fight, because my song's for you. Though not pretty or poetic, well, I hope you know it's true. I'm not perfect in my ways, and I let you down most days, but know it's true, but darling, I love you. My song, it's for you. And although sometimes it's pathetic, I hope you know it's true. I'm not perfect in my ways, and I mess most of my days, but know it's true, that darling, I love you.
Oh, I've heard every tale, every love song out there about the birds and the bees. Oh, could it happen to someone like me? All the stories, all the books say it happens, you don't have to look. So I'm waiting for the day when love comes my way. In my dreams, in my sleep, I have him and he has me. We could walk down the street, holding hands, oh so sweet. When love comes my way, we'll be the leaves to the trees. We won't budge for the breeze, like the tides from the sea always come faithfully. When love comes my way, I'll live in color, no more gray. When love comes my way, when love comes my way, it's never winter, only May. When love comes, when love,
If you like this video, please hit thumbs up and subscribe.